Hi friends! Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Here I will show you how to run AI models locally in computer. As you can see in the screen, this is the chat interface of the AI modal where you can ask any question like you do in generative AI platform like ChatGPT. The best part is it runs locally in your computer without needing the internet connection. It means everything happens inside the computer. The questions you ask, contents you create, or data you share doesn't send to any cloud server. Without doing any delay, let's start learning how do we do this. Open any internet browser, then search for download Ollama. Open this official page of Ollama. This Ollama is a software that provides you platform to install the open-source AI models and the interface to chat with the model. Select the correct operating system, then click on Download option. The file size is pretty big, so wait until the download is 100% complete. After the download completes, double-click and install the software in your computer as you install most of other software in your PC. After the installation, click on the Start menu, then search for Ollama. Here you will see the software. If you want to keep it in the applications list, just right-click and click on Pin to start. Now, you will see the Ollama software in the Start menu applications. Click on it to launch the software. This is the user interface of Ollama software. Like most of AI systems, here too, you can see the prompt box, model selection drop-down, new chat and settings, and the chat history. Next step is to select the correct AI model and download it in your computer. While choosing the model, you have to take care of the system resources in your computer like the RAM, GPU, processor, available storage, etc. To find out the right AI model that smoothly runs in your computer, you can take help from AI. Open chatgpt.com. Ask for what are the open-source AI models that are supported in Ollama software and what the hardware requirements to run each model smoothly. Click on the Send button. ChatGPT gives the list of AI models, their core capability, model size, minimum RAM required, recommended RAM, and GPU. Choose the one that fits with your need, and most importantly, the system resources. In my case, I have downloaded this particular AI model. If your computer has 8 or 16 gigabytes RAM, you can go with this Gemma 3 4B model. To download the model, go to Ollama. Click on this drop-down, then search for Gemma 3 4B model. Click on the model to select. To start download, ask a simple question or prompt in the chat box, then press Enter. Download has been started. The file size is 3.1 gigabytes. Make sure you have sufficient space in C drive. Wait until the download is 100% complete. Here I've already downloaded another model, so let me stop this one. You can also use another method to install the model, which is by using the PowerShell command. Search for PowerShell and open it. Go to ChatGPT and ask for PowerShell command to install the model. Copy the command, paste in PowerShell, then press Enter. This will install the AI model in your computer. You can choose any method to download the model. Once the download is 100% complete, you are almost ready to go. In Ollama, you can select the downloaded model to start chatting with. Now, the model will entirely run inside your computer. No internet connection is required to use the AI. If you have really good system resources like RAM and GPU, you can use the latest open-source models that is not less than the paid models, and it is completely free. Let me disconnect the internet in my computer. Put the prompt in the box and send. AI has started the thinking process to give you the best explanation. Now, you can use the open-source AI model without any cost, which entirely runs inside your computer without needing any internet connection or cloud server. So, that was all about the process of running AI models locally in computer. Thank you so much for watching. Request you to stay connected by subscribing our channel. See you in next video.